Hey guys, what's up? Today we're making flatbread. Super delicious, easy recipe to have in your repertoire for all those dinner parties you're not hosting right now. At least I'm not. But yeah, if you're using dough from scratch, it should take you about an hour or two. If you're using store-bought dough, it should literally take you 15-20 minutes. Just put it in the oven, you're done. Yeah, if it takes you longer, that's embarrassing. No, I'm kidding. You can do it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and enjoy. So, bye. Okay, first things first, if you're making the dough from scratch, just all you're going to need is time and a little bit of patience, guys. You got this. You're going to start out with 1 packet of yeast, about a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add that to lukewarm water. Make sure it's not too hot because you got to let it sit and do its thing. Once it starts bubbling, then you're going to add the salt to the flour. I use 1 tablespoon of salt, about 5.5 to 6 cups of flour, and you're going to mix that all together depending on how hot your kitchen is or moist or the humidity of wherever you're at. You might need to add a little bit more olive oil or water. Just make sure it forms like a ball and it's solid. And then once you get that, you're going to knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes, or just till it comes together. Like right now, this is not working out. I added a little bit more water and olive oil, and then just punch it down. You want it to be elastic, so that's when the gluten forms and it kind of starts bonding together. And once it does that, then you're going to cover up after you're done kneading. Put it in a dry, dark place. I just pop it in my oven and make sure it's covered by like a moist cloth, and then take it out, roll it out, and start making your flatbread, pizza dough, whatever you want. So this one I didn't knead as much as I should. You could see it almost broke. Look, if I only had a brain, I'd do it right, but you see, you can still mess it up and make a really good flatbread. So it's just going to come out a little bit too sticky, so from here, I just added some sliced figs, and then chopped arugula, lemon zest, and some balsamic glaze, and then I put this in the oven. Oh my god, wow, it came out perfect, even though I totally messed up the dough. But then I wanted to try it the next day, but with a different variety of fruits, so I could do the sweet and savory thing. So this one I put on peaches, salt, pepper, and crushed pistachios because I'm just so creative. Not really, that's what I had in my cabinets. But yeah, so I just sprinkled them on, and then same thing. You can just drizzle it with whatever you want. Olive oil, balsamic glaze. I just think I added balsamic vinegar on this one. You get the idea. And if you're really lazy like I am now, I'm just gonna use store-bought dough because I got it out of my system. I made it from scratch. I can tell people I'm a bread maker, but it's just so much less time consuming, and my time is so valuable. No, it's not. But yeah, so I just put this in the oven and then let it cook, do its thing. 15-20 minutes. Wow, you got pizza, you got flatbread, you got whatever you want to call it. Okay, this one's actually vegan. It's just fruit and nuts. You can add cheese, meat, make it your own thing. The sky's the limit, and so's this recipe. It also freezes really well, which is cool, and I'm exhausted from cooking, so I'm probably gonna order takeout now. But I hope you guys liked it. Enjoy.